Today is February 9th in Ottawa, Canada, and it was expected to be just another normal day, but then last night, this happened.
Anyone in Ottawa, if you want to come meet me and this loser, come to Bayshore tomorrow at 3 p.m. Square!
So after watching that last night, how could I not make a video about Elle Mills? Elle Mills is home to Ottawa, Canada. We've got like a Parliament building. We've got the world's longest outdoor skating rink. It's like 7 kilometers long, but that's basically all we got. So making a video of Elle Mills. I think Elle doing a meet and greet is amazing. One thing that I don't know if she did account for is Bayshore. Bayshore is a shopping center and they've got crazy security. I once maybe accidentally went skateboarding there, but like for 10 seconds inside. And within 10 seconds there was already like 3 security guards on me. So now Elle Mills, she's got 1 million subscribers. I mean, it was last minute, not planned, and in Ottawa, which has like a fairly small population. So there's a chance she might go through, but really I'm interested to see what happens with these security guards. So yeah, this could be a really cool 3-second surprise, or they might let us get away with it. Let's see what happens. So Elle, I went up to all those group of people who were like roughly 15 years old, and I asked them if they know Elle Mills. Have you guys heard of Elle Mills? Sorry? Elle Mills? Oh, they were just talking about the vlog earlier. Oh, no. Darkness, my old friend. Unfortunately, they didn't. And I mean, I can't see why, because you're obviously like the biggest thing happening in Ottawa right now, right? So weird, but I mean, maybe focus on 15-year-olds in Ottawa and get an extra like 50,000 subscribers. Just tips right here. Anyways, Bayshore is about 30 minutes away from here, and it's snowing in Ottawa, so probably gonna take longer. We're gonna head there.
The heat, where I need to be for the first time. Taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. I'm dwelling on empty.
So quickly before we go in, so you are
Sorry, we didn't think it would be like. We didn't think it would be like. Yes, people are so much fun. They're so nice.
Good luck.